Hello everyone, today I'm going to be teaching you how to embed a YouTube video in HTML. So the first step is to make your HTML file and then just do like the boilerplate, and then next you go to the video that you want to embed. So I'm just going to choose one of my videos. Then once you're here, then click share, click embed. Then this code over here, you can also make it like start at a certain time. Anyway, so this code over here, just go ahead and copy that code, and then go back to whatever software you're using, and then just paste that code. Save, and then once you go to the live preview, or then it should be here, and then you could turn it. You have all the normal YouTube controls and whatever. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something new.